Hey everyone, Indies here. I have some exciting news that I will be going to AnthrOhio between May 27th to 29th. In this con, I will be hosting not one, but 4 different panels. First, I will be hosting the inflatable meet and greet on Friday at 7 p.m., where you can bring your own pool toys. I will be having a concert with Citrine Husky on Saturday at 2 p.m. by sharing our own set. Check out Citrine Husky, he's very talented. After that, I will be teaching how to compose program music on Saturday at 5:30 p.m., which I can teach you how to write songs that are based on anything going around the world. Finally, I will be opening up jam session on Sunday at 1:30 p.m., where we can have some fun playing any kind of music. I will be providing my own musical instruments, but feel free to bring your own. Maybe I'll upload some videos from the con afterwards, and I'm looking forward to having fun there. Take care.